Did you know dill has been treasured for centuries? This humble herb, with its feathery green leaves and delicate yellow flowers, has a rich history that spans across cultures and continents. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, dill has been a constant companion in the culinary and medicinal worlds. Ancient Egyptians used it for its healing powers. They believed dill could ward off evil spirits and used it in their embalming practices. Dill was also a common ingredient in their medicinal concoctions, used to treat ailments such as digestive issues and headaches. The ancient Greeks and Romans also held dill in high regard, using it as a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Even today, dill is a popular herb. Its unique flavor, a combination of sweet, grassy, and slightly tangy notes, makes it a favorite in many dishes. Chefs around the world use dill to enhance the taste of soups, salads, and seafood. Its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched, making it a staple in both home cooking and gourmet cuisine. It adds flavor to food and offers numerous health benefits. Dill is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as essential minerals like iron and manganese. These nutrients contribute to its antioxidant properties, which help protect the body from harmful free radicals. Additionally, dill has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Let's explore the wonders of dill. Growing dill in your garden is relatively easy, and it can thrive in a variety of climates. The plant prefers well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Once established, dill can be harvested multiple times throughout the growing season. Fresh dill can be used immediately, or it can be dried and stored for later use. Dill's journey through time is fascinating. From its origins in the Mediterranean region to its spread across Europe and Asia, dill has been embraced by countless cultures. In medieval Europe, dill was used as a protective charm against witchcraft. In Scandinavian countries, dill is a key ingredient in traditional dishes like gravlax and pickled herring. From ancient remedies to modern culinary uses, it has earned its place in our kitchens and medicine cabinets. Dill's essential oil, extracted from its seeds, is used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and reduce stress. In the kitchen, dill pairs well with a variety of ingredients, including potatoes, cucumbers, and yogurt. Its bright flavor can elevate simple dishes to new heights. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this versatile herb. We'll delve into its historical significance, explore its culinary applications, and discover its health benefits. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, there's always something new to learn about dill. Its rich history and diverse uses make it a truly remarkable herb. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor and well-being with dill. From its ancient roots to its modern-day applications, dill continues to be a beloved herb in kitchens and gardens around the world. So, the next time you sprinkle some dill on your dish, remember the incredible journey this herb has taken through time. Dill is more than just a pretty garnish. This humble herb, often seen as a mere decoration on our plates, is actually a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in your daily diet. Its feathery green leaves are not only visually appealing, but also packed with a variety of nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. It is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Just a small amount of dill can provide a substantial boost to your daily nutrient intake. For instance, dill is rich in vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining various bodily functions. A small serving of dill provides a good source of vitamin C. This vitamin is well known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Including dill in your diet can help you meet your daily vitamin C requirements, which is essential for overall health. Vitamin C is crucial for a healthy immune system. It helps in the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting off infections. By incorporating dill into your meals, you can naturally boost your immune system and enhance your body's ability to ward off illnesses. Dill also contains vitamin A, important for good vision. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, especially in low-light conditions. It also supports the health of your skin and mucous membranes, making it a vital nutrient for overall well-being. Furthermore, dill is a good source of manganese. This trace mineral is involved in many bodily processes, including bone formation, blood clotting, and reducing inflammation. Manganese is also important for the metabolism of carbohydrates, amino acids, and cholesterol. Manganese plays a vital role in bone health. It helps in the formation of bone cartilage and bone collagen, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Including dill in your diet can contribute to better bone density and overall skeletal health. It also contains dietary fiber, which aids digestion. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system as it helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. By adding dill to your meals, you can increase your fiber intake and promote better digestive health. Adding dill to your meals is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. Whether you sprinkle it on salads, soups, or fish dishes, dill can enhance the flavor of your food while providing numerous health benefits. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it a valuable addition to any diet. Make dill a part of your diet today. By incorporating this nutrient-rich herb into your daily meals, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits and add a burst of flavor to your dishes. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some fresh dill and start reaping its amazing health benefits. Dill has been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries. Traditional medicine utilizes dill to treat various ailments. Dill seeds, in particular, possess potent properties. They contain essential oils that offer therapeutic benefits. Dill has been known to aid digestion and relieve bloating. It may also help soothe menstrual cramps. Moreover, dill possesses antioxidant properties, protecting your cells from damage. Embrace the healing power of dill and experience its therapeutic benefits. Dill's history is as rich as its flavor. Ancient Egyptians used dill for its medicinal properties. They believed it could ward off evil spirits. In ancient Rome, dill was a symbol of victory and good luck. Dill's culinary use dates back centuries. It was a popular ingredient in ancient Greece and Rome. Today, dill is enjoyed worldwide, adding a distinct flavor to various dishes. From ancient remedies to modern cuisine, dill's legacy continues to thrive. Dill in your kitchen. Easy ways to enhance your meals. Dill is an incredibly versatile herb that can elevate the flavor profile of many dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, incorporating dill into your meals can be both simple and rewarding. Incorporating dill into your diet is simple. Start by chopping fresh dill and sprinkling it over your favorite dishes. The fresh, slightly tangy flavor of dill can transform an ordinary meal into something extraordinary. Its fresh, slightly tangy flavor complements numerous dishes. Dill pairs well with a variety of ingredients, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. From salads to main courses, the possibilities are endless. Add chopped fresh dill to salads for a refreshing twist. The herb's unique flavor can enhance the taste of your greens, making your salads more vibrant and delicious. Try adding dill to a simple cucumber and tomato salad for a burst of freshness. Sprinkle it over grilled fish or chicken before serving. Dill's bright flavor pairs exceptionally well with seafood and poultry. A sprinkle of fresh dill can elevate the taste of grilled fish or chicken, adding a layer of complexity to your dish. Dill is a perfect addition to soups and stews. Adding dill to your soups and stews can bring a new dimension of flavor. The herb's subtle tanginess complements the rich, hearty flavors of these dishes, making them more satisfying and delicious. It adds depth and complexity. The addition of dill can make your soups and stews more flavorful and aromatic. The herb's unique taste can enhance the overall flavor profile of your dish, making it more enjoyable to eat. You can even use dill to flavor homemade dips and sauces. Dill can be a fantastic addition to your homemade dips and sauces. Its fresh flavor can enhance the taste of your dips, making them more delicious and enjoyable. Let your culinary creativity bloom with the versatile flavor of dill. Experiment with different dishes and see how dill can enhance their flavor. From salads to main courses, soups to dips, dill can add a unique touch to your meals. So, go ahead and let your culinary creativity bloom with the versatile flavor of dill. Beyond the plate. Dill's versatility shines. Dill's uses extend beyond the kitchen. Dill essential oil is popular in aromatherapy. It is believed to have calming and relaxing effects. Dill oil is also used in skincare products for its potential benefits. Dill seeds can be used to make a soothing herbal tea. This tea may aid digestion. Dills Versatility makes it a valuable addition to your home. Explore the many uses of dill and experience its benefits. Growing your own dill, a rewarding garden venture. Growing your own dill is easy and rewarding. Dill thrives in sunny locations. It prefers well-drained soil. You can start dill from seeds or seedlings. Plant dill in your garden or even in pots on your balcony. Harvest fresh dill leaves as needed. You can also collect dill seeds for future use. Enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own dill and savor its fresh flavor. Dill, the safe and natural choice for health. Dill is generally safe for consumption. However, it is always best to consume it in moderation. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using dill medicinally. When using dill essential oil, always dilute it with a carrier oil. Perform a patch test before applying it to larger areas of skin. Enjoy the benefits of dill safely and responsibly. Dill, a sustainable solution for a healthier planet. Choosing dill is a sustainable choice. Dill is a fast-growing herb. It requires minimal water and care. Growing your own dill reduces your carbon footprint. It promotes biodiversity in your garden. By choosing dill, you contribute to a healthier planet. Embrace sustainable practices and make a positive impact with your choices. The future is dill-icious. Dill's popularity continues to grow. People are rediscovering its versatility and health benefits. Chefs are incorporating dill into innovative dishes. Health enthusiasts are embracing its medicinal properties. The future of dill is bright. Embrace the power of this incredible herb and unlock a world of flavor and well-being. Embrace the power of dill. Join the movement. Dill is more than just an herb. It's a lifestyle. Incorporate dill into your daily routine and experience its transformative power. Like this video if you're ready to embrace the dill-icious life. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with your friends and family and spread the dill-ite. Together, let's make the world a healthier and more flavorful place, one sprig of dill at a time.